Hello everyone, myself Sujit Sanjay Patil, faculty Shri Jain Vidya Prasarak Mandal Sanchalit Rasiklal M. Dhariwal, College of Pharmacy, Chinchwad, Pune. In this video, we are going to see about respiratory system. Content, learning objectives. After watching this video, students will able to explain the following. First is introduction of respiratory system, working of respiratory system, parts involved in particular respiratory system, location of parts and function of parts. The respiratory system. The human respiratory system allow one to obtain oxygen, eliminate carbon dioxide. Breathing consists of two phases. First is inspiration and second is expiration. Inspiration, the process of taking in air. Expiration, the process of blowing out air. Respiration include pulmonary ventilation. Air moves in and out of lungs. Continuous replacement of gases in alveoli. External respiration, gas exchange between blood and air at alveoli. Oxygen in air diffuse into blood. Carbon dioxide in blood diffuse into air. Transport of respiratory gases between the lungs and the cells of the body performed by the cardiovascular system. Blood is transporting fluid. Internal expiration, gas exchange in capillaries between blood and tissue cell. Oxygen in blood diffuse into tissue. Carbon dioxide waste in tissue diffuse into blood. These are the phases involved in respiration system. The organs of respiratory system are: first is nose, pharynx means throat, larynx voice box which is useful for the preparation of voice, trachea windpipe, two bronchi, one bronchus to each lung, bronchioles and similar air passages, two lungs and their coverings, that is pleura, muscles of respiration, the intercostal muscle and the diaphragm. This is the typical diagram of respiratory system. It also contains all the organs of respiratory system. Take a few seconds and watch the diagram. The parts of respiratory system can be classified according to either structure or function. Structurally, respiratory system is divided into two parts. First is upper respiratory system and second is lower respiratory system. Functionally, conducting zone, respiratory zone. This is also one of the typical diagram which contains all the organs of respiratory system. This also shows lower respiratory tract and upper respiratory tract. Upper respiratory tract consists of nose and lower respiratory tract consists of epiglottis, pleural membrane, lungs and ribs. So in this diagram you will be see the both tract, that is upper and lower respiratory tract. Components of upper respiratory tract. It include nose, pharynx, associated structure. This also include sinus, nasal cavity, external nose, nostril, tongue, larynx, esophagus, trachea, sinus, opening of the tube, pharynx, glottis and epiglottis. This is the typical diagram of upper respiratory tract. Take a few seconds and watch the diagram. Functions of upper respiratory tract. Passageway for respiration, receptors for smell, filter incoming air to filter larger foreign material, moistens and warms incoming air. Components of lower respiratory tract, that is, see the diagram: larynx, right bronchioles, cluster of alveoli, trachea, left bronchus, bronchioles. So this is the diagram which shows the lower respiratory tract components or organs which is involved in the lower respiratory tract. Functions of lower respiratory tract. So first, larynx. It maintains an open and way routes food and air appropriately, assist in sound production. Trachea transport air to and form lungs. Bronchi branch into lungs. Lungs transport air to alveoli for gas exchange, that is O2 to CO2. Conducting portion includes the nose, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, and progressively smaller airways from the primary bronchi to the terminal bronchioles. Respiratory portion carries out gas exchange, composed of small airways called respiratory bronchioles and alveolar ducts, as well as air sacs called alveoli. Nose and nasal cavity. This is the typical diagram of nose. Kopche folds in the mucous membrane that increase air turbulence and ensure the most air contains the mucous membrane. Linings of nose. Rich supply of capillaries warm the inspired air. Olfactory mucosa. Mucous membranes that contains smell receptor, which is useful to identify the smell. Respiratory mucosa. Pseudo-stratified ciliated columnar epithelium containing globate cells that secrete mucus which traps inhaled particles. Lysosome kills bacteria and lymphocytes and IgA antibodies that protect against bacteria. This is the typical diagram of respiratory system. It also contains all the organs of respiratory system. Take a few seconds and watch the diagram. Paranasal sinus. Four bones of the skull contain paired air space called the paranasal sinus, that is frontal, ethmoidal, sphenoidal, maxillary. Decrease skull bone weight, warm, moisten and filter incoming air, add resonance to voice, communicate with the nasal cavity by ducts lined by pseudo-stratified ciliated columnar epithelium. Can get infected sinusitis. Pharynx. The pharynx is a tube 12 to 14 cm long that extends from the base of the skull to the level of sixth cervical vertebra. It lies behind the nose, mouth and larynx and is wider at its upper end. Common space used by both the respiratory and digestive system, commonly called throat, originates posterior to nasal and oral cavities and extend inferiorly near the level of bifurcation of the larynx and esophagus. Common pathway for both air and food. Functions of pharynx. Passageway for air and food. Warming and humidifying taste, hearing, protection, speech. These are the functions of pharynx. Larynx, that is voice box. Larynx is also responsible to create the voice. Larynx extend from the level of 4th to 6th cervical vertebrae attached to hyoid bone superiorly. Inferiorly it continues with trachea, that is windpipe. The functions of larynx are: it produces speech, provides an open airway for breathing purpose, switching mechanism to route air and food into proper channels, closed during swallowing, open during breathing. The larynx is composed of several irregularly shaped cartilage attached to each other by ligaments and membranes. The main cartilage are thyroid cartilage, cricoid cartilage, that's called hyaline cartilage. Second is arytenoid cartilage. First, epiglottis, that is elastic cartilage. Sound production. See the diagram of posterior and anterior cartilage, which is used in the sound production. Functions. Production of sound. speech, protection of the lower respiratory tract, passageway for air, humidifying, filtering and warming. Trachea, see the typical diagram of trachea. A flexible tube, also called windpipe, extends through the mediastinum and lies anterior to the esophagus and inferior to the larynx. Anterior and lateral walls of the trachea supported by 50 to 20 C-shaped tracheal cartilage. Cartilage rings reinforce and provide rigidity to the tracheal wall to ensure that the trachea remains open at all times. Posterior part of tube lined by trachealis muscle, lined by ciliated pseudo-stratified columnar epithelium. Functions: support and patency, mucociliary escalator, cough reflex, warming, humidifying and filtering of air. Sound production. See the diagram of posterior and anterior cartilage which is used in the sound production. Functions: production of sound, speech, protection of the lower respiratory tract, passageway for air, humidifying, filtering and warming. Trachea, see the typical diagram of trachea. Linings of nose. Rich supply of capillaries warm the inspired air. Olfactory mucosa. Mucous membranes that contains smell receptor which is useful to identify the smell. Respiratory mucosa. Pseudo-stratified ciliated columnar epithelium containing globate cells that secrete mucus which traps inhaled particles. A flexible tube, also called windpipe, extends through the mediastinum and lies anterior to the esophagus and inferior to the larynx. Anterior and lateral walls of the trachea supported by 50 to 20 C-shaped tracheal cartilage. Cartilage rings reinforce and provide rigidity to the tracheal wall to ensure that the trachea remains open at all times. Posterior part of tube lined by trachealis muscle, lined by ciliated pseudostratified. Thank you.